The man is chopping an onion. An onion is being chopped by the man. The women are eating oranges. Present. Plural is there, so we will use are. Oranges are being eaten by the women. Today's video of active and passive voice, I'm going to cover only the continuous tense in phase 1 of this series. So the active voice will be in the present continuous tense or the past continuous tense, and how you have to change it to passive. One thing I want you to remember is that a future continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. It sounds really awkward and it is just not possible to do it, okay? So I'm just going to do present continuous and past continuous followed by some exercises for practice. So let's straight dive into it. And the very first one, this all is in the active voice. The man is dusting. Now see, these have to be the verbs for it to be present. You don't have to change the verb. In the passive also we need one of these along with the word being. The minute you have added being to the sentence, then it has become into the passive form. The man is dusting the carpet. This is the subject. This is the first verb, is dusting, and this is the object. So the object either can be a noun or a pronoun. The man is dusting the carpet will become the carpet is being dusted by the man. I am cleaning my room. What are you cleaning? My room is being cleaned by me. We have added being. We have not changed the tense. The kid is arranging the flowers. The flowers are being arranged by the kid. We did not change the tense. We added being because it is in the continuous tense. She is teaching me. I am being taught by her. I did not change the tense and being. What is continuous tense? Is, and with this you have to add ing. It becomes a continuous tense. See, verb plus ing. Present plus verb plus ing is the continuous tense. Now the past continuous, almost the same thing. The man was dusting ing, so it is continuous. Past will remain past, but we will add being. Do not change the tense. The man was dusting the carpet. The carpet was being dusted by the man. The kid was arranging the flowers. The flowers were being arranged by the kid. Why were? Because the flowers are in plural. The boys were writing an essay, singular. Past tense. An essay was being written by the boy. Being, everywhere in passive when it is in the continuous form. ing, arranging, writing, and dusting. Okay, now you have to identify whether this is active or passive voice, okay? Smith is kicking the ball. Now, because this is only continuous, the only thing we have to look at is the word being. If being is there, that is passive, otherwise it is active. Smith is kicking the ball, active. The thieves were being chased by the policeman. Being is their passive. The bystanders were taking the pictures of the celebrity. Active. The noise is irritating me. Being is not there, so active. The car is being washed by Ray. Passive. The room was being cleaned by the maids. Passive. Now let us solve an exercise and see. The man is chopping an onion. An onion is being chopped by the man. The women are eating oranges. Present. Plural is there, so we will use are. Oranges are being eaten by the women. The students were creating a design, past tense. So a design was being created by the students. I am correcting papers, present. Papers are being corrected by me. The girl is singing many songs. Many songs are being sung by the girl. So what have we done? We have not changed the tense and we have added being everywhere. Okay, I want you to try these on your own. Just pause the video for a minute. Maybe say the answers in your mind or take it down, whatever works for you. I'm putting up the answers because I cannot wait for long. The teacher is distributing books. Books are being distributed by the teacher. The woman is buying a cake. A cake is being bought by the woman. The parents are pampering the kid. The kid is being pampered by the parents. The boy was chasing the puppies. The puppies were being chased by the boy. I've given a mix of present and past over here. Be very careful. The men were painting the building. The building was being painted by the men. Okay, now this in the previous slide you identified whether it was active or passive. Now, if it is active, change it to passive. If it is passive, change it to active. Let's try. Smith is kicking the ball. This is in the active form. The ball is being kicked by Smith. The thieves were being chased by the policeman. Were being I, be is there, being is there. So passive. The policeman was chasing the thieves. The bystanders were taking pictures of the celebrity. Pictures of the celebrity were being taken by the bystanders. Now, why pictures of the celebrity were? Because if this is celebrity, why are we not using singular? Because what are we taking? I mean, what are the bystanders taking? They are taking pictures of the celebrity. So this is what we have to consider when we decide what verb to put. Pictures is plural. Pictures of the celebrity were being taken by the bystanders. The noise is irritating me. I am being irritated by the noise. The car is being washed by Ray. This is passive. Now make it active. Ray is washing the car. The room was being cleaned by the maids. Being passive. Past. The maids were cleaning the room. That's all we have in this video. I'm going to put up the phase 2 very soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.